So kok tagak mangari, tinggi semut tinggi rendah semut.
Yeah, let's come here to Singkil. Don't go to the balai. Come to Singkil and Pulau Banyak.
Yes.
Like adventure. Our friend Lucas. So you come Ceko together, more people?
He's here for more.
I will stay in the close by.
Oh, so what is your name? You know Thomas? He's
My cousin.
He's my friend. So you know Thomas? Thomas is Indonesian. So we come from Medan and we go to the whole island. We go to Brasta too. It's very nice. The volcano. We go at morning. Yes, I know.
Sunrise.
Sunrise was very nice. But tomorrow the first time you come to Pulau Banyak.
Yes.
Not you. You stay in long time there ya. Okay. Pak Jul, kita boleh komunikasi sedikit nggak?
Oke.
My friend want to check something. Yeah, maybe. Hi guys, I'm from Chico and thank you for. Can you? Okay, look at. In Indonesia, you can say anything. Okay. 1, 2, 3, action. Okay, sorry. Sorry, Lucas.
No problem.
Yeah, action, yes.
Oke, halo, saya nama Lukas, saya sama kawan aku. Kita pergi ke Pulau Banyak, kita mau lihat Pulau Tailana dan lagi pulau itu. Dan sekarang kita di Singkil, itu bagus, kita suka banyak-banyak. Terima kasih.
Rekomendasinya untuk kawan-kawan nanti.
Yeah, let's come here to Singkil. Don't go to the balai. Come to Singkil and Pulau Banyak.
Yes.
Maybe you want to say something like, "Hey, I'm
I
married."
am not good.
Okay. Thank you. Lucas, I think you are an actor, yeah, because you speak very well in Indonesian.
We also make videos like we are going here.
Are you model? No.
Maybe next.
Maybe next, yeah.
We are doing videos from Norway and I'm just cameraman.
Oke guys, itu tadi orang dari luar berkesempatan datang ke Banjar UMKM ini guys ya. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Langsung tadi bersama Pak Dan Lanal, kemudian Pak Kapolres, Pak Sekda, dan Pak dan Pos TNI Angkatan Laut Singkil, guys. Oke, terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.